Hi there, everybody. Let's move on. Now, before we start our studies, no. Before we talk about the dialogue, let's finish this vocabulary from this new lesson. Okay? Now, look at this. What lesson is this? This is lesson 82. All right. All right. O que nós estamos falando aqui? Estamos falando das partes do corpo, né? Parts of the human body. All right? Perfect. Now, algumas coisinhas a mais para terminar a matéria dessa unidade. A gente vai falar também uma expressão que a gente diz é estar curioso a respeito de, ou então só estar curioso, né? Eu estou curioso. I'm curious. Let's repeat. Curious. Again, curious. I'm curious. I'm curious. Estou curioso. Agora, se eu vou dizer a respeito de alguma coisa, aí sim, I'm curious about something. Certo? I'm curious. Attention to the preposition after the word curious. The preposition is about. I'm curious about, né? Eu sou curioso, estou curioso a respeito de, né? All right. Então, look at that. The verb is to be curious about. Let's repeat. To be curious about. All right. Let's conjugate the verb. Of course, the verb is to be, right? Então, nós vamos conjugar o be. All right? I am curious about. You are curious about. He is curious about. She is curious about. It is curious about. We are curious about. You are curious about. They are curious about. All right, about something, right? What is Tina curious about? I'm curious about our body. Então, she is curious about our body. Is Tina curious about our body? Yes, she is. What is she curious about? Perfect. She's curious about our body. Are you curious about our body? Yes, I am. Am I curious about our body? Yes, you are. Né? Você está falando para mim. Yes, you are. Are we curious about our body? Yes, we are. Are they curious about our body? Yes, they are. Agora uma coisinha fácil, mas vamos relembrar. Em vez de falar our, nós vamos usar o pronome possessivo da pessoa que está curiosa. Então, por exemplo, se for eu, sou eu, I'm curious about my body. All right. And you? You are? Very good. You are curious about your body. And Tina? Ah, very good. She's curious about her body. And Bob? Perfect. He's curious about his body. And we are curious about our body. And they? Aham, they are curious about their body, né? Possessivo, the possessive. All right, perfect. What is Tina curious about? She's curious about our body. Lógico, ela está falando, quando a gente fala o nosso corpo, a gente está falando no coletivo, no geral, né? O corpo humano, right? The human body. Mas olha só. What is she curious about? She says, I'm curious about the body parts. Is she curious about the body parts, né? As partes do corpo. Is she curious about the body parts? Yes, she is. What is she curious about? She's curious about the body part, but she says that she's curious about our body. So she's curious about our whole body, right? Quando ela está dizendo nosso corpo, é o corpo todo, right? Então aqui ela especifica. I'm curious about the body parts. Ela está curiosa sobre o corpo, mas ela quer saber de todas as partes, certo? Então, is she curious about the whole body? Yes, she is. Is she curious about the body parts too? Yes, she is. What are the body parts? The head, the face, the shoulders, the arms, the hands, they are body parts, right? Are they body parts? Yes, they are. What are they? The head, the shoulders, the legs, the hands. What are they? They are the body parts. All right. Or they are parts of the body. É a mesma coisa, né? São partes do corpo ou são. E que em inglês dá para a gente falar também dessa outra forma, the body parts, certo? Então, the parts of the body or the body parts. All right? Very good. What else? She is also curious about life and death. What is the meaning of life in Portuguese? Very good. Vida. And what is the meaning of death in Portuguese? Morte. She's curious about life and death. Ó, é uma questão filosófica, não é? Ela está curiosa a respeito da vida e da morte, né? O que acontece, para onde vai, de onde vem, é curiosidade. So, is she curious about life and death? Yes, she is. What is she curious about? She's curious about life and death. All right. Is Bob curious about life and death? Yes, he is. What is he curious about? He's curious about life and death. What is Kathy curious about? She's curious about life and death. What is Paul curious about? He's curious about our body. What is Danny curious about? He's curious about the body parts. What are you curious about? I'm curious about life and death. What am I curious about? You are curious about our body. What are Danny and Paul curious about? They are curious about the body parts. Very good. What is Tina curious about? She's curious about our body. Who is curious about our body? Tina is. Who is curious about the body parts? Tina is. Who is curious about life and death? Tina is. All right. Bob is curious about the concert. Né? Por exemplo, está curioso a respeito do concerto. Bob is curious about the concert. Who is curious about the concert? Bob is. John is curious about the new show. Who is curious about the new show? John is. Danny and Paul are curious about UFOs. UFOs. Look at that. UFOs. Nós conhecemos, né? É um disco voador. What is the meaning of UFO? In English, unidentified flying object. Tá? É um objeto voador não identificado. Tá? UFO. Danny and Paul are curious about UFOs, tá? Plural, plural. UFOs, UFOs. What are Danny and Paul curious about? They're curious about UFOs. Are Danny and Paul curious about UFOs? Yes, they are. Who is curious about UFOs? Danny and Paul are. Very good. Are Danny and Paul curious about UFOs? Yes, they are. What are they curious about? Perfect. They are curious about UFOs. Who is curious about UFOs? Danny and Paul are. They are, right? Perfect. Então era com isso que a gente ia fechar essa nossa lição 82. All right? Now, capricha aí, depois volta para a gente fazer o nosso diálogo. See y'all later, everybody!